Hey everyone, and welcome back to TechTubeTV. If you've ever tried to record your PC screen for a tutorial, a lecture, or especially high-end PC gameplay, you know the struggle, lag, stuttering, and system slowdown. That's where the ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner dongle comes in. It's not a traditional HDMI game capture card. It's a dedicated hardware-based screen recorder that plugs into your computer via USB-C and promises to capture your entire desktop at a smooth 1080p 60 frames per second using its own encoding power, leaving your CPU untouched. It is compatible with Windows and macOS. Does it work? Let's find out. This is the product box with the picture of Screen Cloner, a screen capture and recording dongle from ClonerAlliance. At the back is the explanation of what this product does. We've included the product link in description or comments for the current pricing or discounts. Let's unbox this. These are everything that you get in the box. Let's take a closer look at the design. The Screen Cloner dongle is compact and has a durable feel. It has a minimalist, almost professional look with a solid, high-quality plastic shell. This makes it durable for travel. The USB-C port connects to your desktop or laptop, and this is how the captured video and audio are transferred. This is the LED indicator light that shows connection status. And these are the front heat dissipation holes. There are also heat dissipation holes at the back. It is recommended not to cover these vent holes when using the device. Included in the box is the female Type-C to USB-A plus DisplayPort adapter cable. This is a quick user guide with the essential information. If you need the full user guide, scan the QR code in front to view or download a PDF document. If you need support or help, ClonerAlliance has all the contact details here in this card. Before we proceed with setup, if you're curious about this ring, this is an Ultrahuman Smart Health Ring. You can watch a separate video, and the link is in the description or comment section. I'm using this first-generation Surface Go Windows tablet to test. Connect the Screen Cloner dongle to the computer's Type-C port. Ensure the Type-C port supports Thunderbolt. If your computer or laptop does not have a Type-C port, you can use the included USB-A 2.0 plus DisplayPort adapter if the ports are available. The laptop should detect a newly mounted drive. Open this location for the software installation file. The folder contains software for macOS and Windows. I'm going to test mine on Windows OS. Double-click to run the Screen Cloner executable file and follow the steps to install the software. Click Finish to launch the Screen Cloner application, or you can also launch it from your desktop or Start menu. The Screen Cloner app is now running and ready to use. If you would like to check or configure the settings, click on these three dots. These are the General Preferences tab. Next is the Device tab. Here you can't change the video device or the device format, but you have three options for the audio device: no audio, microphone, or system speaker. Next is the Recording tab. You can set the recording location or hotkeys. Next is the Schedule tab, where you can create multiple recording schedules. Other tabs are Help, Feedback, and About Software. This first-gen Surface Go tablet has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage. With critically low on free space on the C drive, it is nearly impossible to record the screen using a software-based recorder. I'm going to screen record my activities on this tablet. Use the hotkey or click Start Recording button. If this is the first time, you may need to allow the app to perform audio and video sync calibration. The screen recording has started. Knowing how slow that this old Surface Go can be, I'm surprised that there is no noticeable lag or slowdown due to the recording process. I know this from personal experience of running a software-based screen recorder, which used to lag. The ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner hardware-encoded screen recording seems to work really well. I'm genuinely impressed. You can stop the screen recording by using Hotkey or clicking the Stop Recording button. Click Open MP4 folder to view the recorded file. The recorded file is exactly how the screen activity was, no stutter or lag in it. I'd like to test gameplay recording, but this tablet is too slow for proper gaming. I'm sure Screen Cloner will record everything as it is, just like how it recorded this video. So why use this over software like OBS's screen capture? It all comes down to hardware encoding and stability. The core advantage is that the dongle handles the heavy lifting of encoding the video stream. This means zero system lag. Your CPU isn't burdened, leaving it free to run demanding games or complex editing software smoothly. This is critical for high-end PC gaming capture. Perfect 1080p with 60 frames per second capture. It provides a perfectly stable 60 frames per second, unlike software recording which can drop frames under load. System audio capture. It reliably captures all desktop content, including system audio, which can often be difficult with built-in Mac or older Windows recording tools without third-party extensions. High compatibility. It's great for capturing content from a low-spec laptop to a high-spec PC. What are the uses of the Screen Cloner dongle? Recording online meetings. Capture every detail of group calls, including video, audio, and shared screens, for future reference or sharing. Recording online classes. Easily record lessons, presentations, and lectures without interruptions, ensuring no information is missed. Recording video calls. Preserve personal or business video calls with synced audio for quality playback and review. Recording game videos. Enjoy seamless 1080p 60 frames per second recording of gameplay without affecting performance. Perfect for gaming streams and reviews. Recording online media. Capture any online live video or audio content directly from your screen. Recording any screen content. The dongle can record anything on your display, from desktop applications to web browsers. The ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner dongle supports comprehensive audio recording capabilities, including system internal audio, where it records all system sounds. Microphone audio, which records microphone input. The dongle ensures stable and synchronized audio recording with no interruptions. These are the ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner dongle technical specifications. The model is CA1280SC. The key takeaway here is the 1080p at 60 frames per second hardware capture. You get to game or work on your high-resolution display without any lag, while getting a perfectly encoded, ready-to-upload 1080p file. So, is the ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner dongle worth it? Here is my final verdict. Let's look at the pros. True hardware encoding. Zero impact on system performance during capture. Flawless 1080p 60 frames per second stability. Consistent, high-quality video for creators. Great audio options. Record system audio or live microphone commentary. Plug and play. Super easy setup on Windows and Mac. Now let's look at the cons. Limited to 1080p capture. If you need native 4K recording, you'll need a much pricier, dedicated capture card. For anyone needing reliable, lag-free screen recording, especially gamers and educators struggling with stuttering software recorders, this is an outstanding solution at a very competitive price. It genuinely delivers on its promise of hardware encoding. You can find a link to purchase the ClonerAlliance Screen Cloner with the best current discounts in the description below and pinned in the comments section. Go check it out. If this review helped you make a decision, please hit the like button. And if you want more honest tech reviews, I'd love for you to subscribe right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.